Hello, YouTube. It is Teddy Cortez here. My family's very dysfunctional, but we're gonna make videos on fried Oreos. This is my sister.
And this bowl is too small.
It's a lot of water.
That dog, I gotta give him to him later.
What if he gets heartburn?
Got to make fried Oreos.
And it's gonna be delicious.
What you playing?
I'm playing this game. If you can't see it, if it's too bright, yeah, because it's on the camera.
It's on the camera. Did you win?
Yes, I'm out first place.
You got that fork in there.
Dum 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 dum.
Fried Oreos, cookies.
You need milk.
Oh.
What in the world are you doing?
Is this good consistency?
Making your way. Kissy.
Why
Oh,
would you
yeah.
not gonna use all of them? Oreo.
Oh, you mean
mix for
make-
the morning?
Oreo flavored.
Oreo flavored cookies.
Yes,
Oreo flavored pancakes.
No, Oreo flavored pancakes in the morning.
yes, yes,
Oreo flavored pancakes.
yes, yes.
Don't, Oreo. Oreo.
Oh, what do I do?
I don't know.
And bubble.
And bub.
In butter.
Then drop the cookies in the dough and drop them in the oil. Put your lips together.
And
And
blow.
then put the Oreo.
My family's so dysfunctional. This is us.
There's actually a dysfunctional
This is us.
family.
Okay.
And the show is called This Is Us.
Oh, yeah. We
Oh.
Uh-huh. Okay. The Oreos pancake.
Have a lot of kids. The house be junky. It's like real.
This is
I'm
us.
dead.
This is us.
This is us. Hashtag.
These tighter. I wanted to blow dry it and roll it up into a bun.
Oreos
Oreos. Sonete.
Two Bobby pins.
with Auntie Jemima.
Auntie
Jemima.
No siti, no sika, no sita.
What are you
Flowers
speaking?
going through.
Pedro,
One of them strips.
what are you doing?
I think your oil is probably
Rosita,
ready.
Rosetta,
We're gonna start popping.
Dick and cookie.
We gonna start popping. Put it in the oil. Put it in the oil. Pancakes. Pancakes with the oil.
Fried
How much
Oreo.
stuff do I put on it?
Fried Oreo.
Hey!
That's the Oreo, y'all.
I want to do it.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Don't mind that. That is just grease and pots. Y'all know how pots are.
Yeah.
Put it in the oil, donkey.
I'm scared. It's not doing nothing.
It's bubbling.
The army. Not too much batter, Leah. Oh, I don't know how y'all want them.
I like the batter.
We like it bad.
Put it in the
Oh,
oil.
put it in the oil.
The one that looks like that.
I like going to the children. I put what's all in my watch.
In my watch. In my watch.
About what? How many y'all gonna eat?
I'm probably gonna eat like 3.
I say I want to buy that. They look good.
Bless you. It's snacks with the girls.
They look like little bread pieces, or they
Hold
look
on,
like
Leah.
little sandwiches.
Hold on, Leah. Wait a minute.
Bath salt. Wait a minute. Bath salt. Wait a minute. Bath
She
salt.
does not say bath salt.
Y'all wonder where I get my litness from. My family.
We Google. I thought you were that one. I told you. You've been warned.
There's gotta be.
All the snacks of the house.
What about regular sugar?
And me.
Coke. Fried Oreo.
Let me see when I did and me.
No, no, we put it. Okay,
Dip it
mommy.
in good.
It's dead.
Can I put more in there now?
Yeah, baby.
Delicious. We'll get back to you when they're all done and we try them. You want whipped cream?
Whipped cream. I'm a cooking myself and whipped cream myself.
Delicious. Oh. Crunchy.
What's the sugar doing? Works.
Mm-hmm. Delicious.
But
Oh,
I don't know what our hype's about.
Pan. You could.
I've come to the conclusion that they are delicious.
They bang. They bang.
Look at that.
Gooey goodness. And it's good with whipped cream. Yeah, and I got it with milk too. It tastes so good.
Take a bite.
I tried it. Try fried Oreos with whipped cream. It's good.
Sorry.
Sorry, guys.
No, that was not Lauren's hand.
You should try them because they taste like
Lori.
sweet.
The whipped cream takes it to another level.
More.
Trying it with whipped cream. Here come Cookie Monster.
Alright. Trump Queen.
We're gonna try some with caramel.
Sprite too.
With some.
Nobody ever uses these while you're gone.
Mmm.
Hey guys, I got sugar rush.
Lauren needs some water because she has a sugar rush right now.
How do you wash my hands? I know you do.
Right. Overall success. Yeah, y'all. That was a short video of me with my family.
Lauren,
Making-
drink this milk. Down, honey. Take it down,
This
honey.
has been me and my family making fried Oreos. I love you guys. You're Teddy Grahams because you guys are a snack. Goodbye. Goldfish.
Goldfish crackers.
The snack that smiles back. Teddy Grahams.
Teddy Graham.
Teddy Graham.
Teddy Graham.
Bye, y'all. Up, didn't close.
Welcome to the club.
I spilled me on my pants. Life suck, oh well, true dad.